Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. Did you know that around 70% of new software projects fail to hit their original goals? A huge reason for this is poorly planned customization. Today we're talking about ERPs, that's Enterprise Resource Planning Software, and how to set them up for future success, not future headaches. When a business adopts a powerful, open source system like Odoo, the freedom can be intoxicating. It's tempting to rebuild the software to mimic every single legacy habit your team has. But this is a trap. The customization decisions you make today become the DNA of your future scalability. They determine how well your system will handle more products, more transactions, and new locations down the road. If you build too rigidly now, you'll find yourself version locked and unable to grow. The core insight is this: true readiness for the future is about maintaining a modular architecture, not about how many features you can add. Adaptability is far more valuable than a one-off solution. So how do you get this right? First, it's crucial to understand the difference between configuration and customization. Before you even think about hiring a developer, explore what the software offers out of the box. You might meet your business requirements just by modifying existing workflows or settings without touching a line of code. For simple tweaks, like adding a field or renaming a label, tools like Odoo Studio can keep your system agile without the overhead of a custom project. So what happens when you do need to customize? This brings us to the second key principle: build with a modular approach. Instead of changing the software's core code, which is a recipe for disaster during updates, the best practice is to use what's called inheritance. Think of it like this: you build your own custom modules that hook into the existing logic. This allows you to add your unique business rules while keeping the original functionality perfectly intact. By creating separate, independent add-ons, you ensure your system stays stable and easy to maintain as it evolves. One of the most common mistakes is over-engineering things too early. Companies often spend a fortune building a rigid process for something that's likely to shift in 6 months. That custom logic that feels fast with 100 records might slow to a crawl once your sales volume hits the big leagues. These performance issues don't show up on day one. They surface right when you're in the middle of a major growth spurt. Your ERP shouldn't be treated as a one-and-done task, but as an evolving part of your business. The goal isn't just to build a system that works for you today, but one that grows with you tomorrow.